Okay, this is a trig question which could come up at AS level mathematics. It says solve 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin x on 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 360. Now, the first thing I'm going to do this in red. This is the first mistake a lot of people make. Well, what a lot of people will do is they will see a sign on both sides and they'll divide through by sine to give you 2 cos x equals 1, which then goes on and gives you cos x equals a half. You can then do your basic angle, do your cast diagram from there. Now, that's all well and good, and you're getting some of the answers, but you're losing out on some of the answers as well if you do it this way. So if you can, try and avoid dividing across. So we'll do this in blue then. So the proper solution way to do this is to bring everything over to one side and then factorize. So if you factorize, you can pull a sign outside a bracket, which leaves you 2 cos x minus 1 inside. And then you're in this lovely stage of mathematics where you've got a times b equals 0, which means a equals 0 or b equals 0. So in this case, I mean here my sin x is equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Now sin x equals 0, I'll come back to in a wee minute. 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0 means cos x equals 2. Cos x equals a half, and remember that's what I had a minute ago, so that would give me basic angle. So if you do shift and cos, or inverse of cos of a half, you will get in degrees, you will get 60 degrees. And then it was, do your cast diagram, C, A, S, and T. So my 60 is going to be in here and in here. That was 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, and then back to 360, 270 and 360. So this first angle is 60 degrees. This second angle is 60 degrees shy of being 6 degrees shy of being a full turn. So it's 300 degrees. Okay, so there's 2 of my answers, which I would have got the first way had I divided across. Okay, sine is equal to 0. Now, sine is equal to 0 at 0 degrees. So where this is on your cast diagram is here. It's also going to be equal to 0 in the opposite place, which is at 180 degrees on our current range. So 0 degrees or 180 degrees for sine being equal to 0. So your answers, your final answer, x is equal to 0 degrees, put them in ascending order, 60 degrees, 180 degrees, and 300 degrees. And there we have it. And if you divided through by sine at the start, you would have missed out on the 0 and you would have missed out on the 180. So you would have missed out on half of the solutions for this question.